And in day 3 homework, I can see that, okay. So, good morning to all of you. What we have right now is the day 3 homework in accountancy, and the topic that we will cover over here is the question number 31, 32, 34, 37, 39 from the exercise of the chapter number 1, that is fundamentals of partnership. So we do have further questions. We have also solved many questions in the previous class. So hope you guys are not having any audio issue and all. If you have any audio issue, just let me know in chat option so I can work on that only. Okay. So moving on to further, what topic we have, you can see on the screen the question and the other things and all. So 31st question, the 31 number question we will solve. That is Meena, Sheena, and Tina are in partnership, and during the year end 31st March 2021 earn a profit of 1,04,000 rupees. Okay, the profit given in the for the entire year, it is 1,04,000. Meena and Sheena are to get 5% interest on their capitals of rupees 1,20,000 and 2 lakh rupees respectively. While Tina does not have capital in the firm, is entitled to salary of 25,000 per annum. Tina is also entitled to a commission of 5% on the profits after charging interest, salary, and commission. It is further agreed that the balance profit should be appropriated as to 20% for charity fund and the balance to be shared by the partners. Now, what will be the sharing ratio has not been given. We'll assume that over here it will be equal to all the partners. So we have to solve this question 31 number. So what I'll do, I'll simply draw some format and some working and all, and I'll solve this question on the screen as well. So now, first of all, we'll have to solve this question. We can also show up, it is given that draw a PL appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2020. What I have done, I have simply drawn one format of PL appropriation account that is in front of you people, and you guys will have to do the same thing. Do follow the on the format that this format starts of dash firm. If in the question it is given that the firm name, then do write firm's name, okay? That in the books of A Limited, in the books of B Limited, and so on. And next, the profit and loss appropriation account, the heading of the account that we are going to solve. And last, as on, for example. What as on mean? That in case of as on, when you are preparing the particular account, remember. For example, if I'm preparing the particular account on 31st December 2021, I'll simply write as on 31st March, 31st March 2021, for example. This will be my date for the PL appropriation account. Now simple, we'll just solve this question in this way. So what I will do, or you guys can, wherever you guys feel like, you guys can take a screenshot, okay? Just wait. So this solution will be for question number 31. So in question number 31, we'll solve the question one by from the top to bottom. That three partners are there: Meena, Sheena, and Tina. Our partnership during the date we have taken, the entire profit of the firm was 1,04,000. That 1,04,000 rupees will go on the credit side of the PL appropriation account as the name by profit and loss account. Remember, okay? In the case of 1,04,000, and remember while passing journal entries, since we are not just got topic concerned, whatever the entry you pass in the PL appropriation account, all entries will have journal entries. So if we have passed the profit from the profit and loss account, so we'll pass one journal entries as well. First of all, we have transferred the profit and loss balance, which is profit only, to the profit and loss appropriation account. Now moving on to next, is given that Meena and Sheena are to get 5% per annum interest on their capitals of 1,20,000 and 2 lakh rupees. So on debit side, we will write interest on capital, okay? And the name is given Meena and given that Sheena, for example. Now for let me check how much capital Meena has. Meena has rupees 1,20,000 and 2 lakh rupees Sheena has. So on rupees Meena will get 5%, is 6,000 rupees as the interest on capital, and Sheena will get 10,000 as the interest on capital, because the interest on capital is 5% per annum and we calculate on the profit on the opening capital. So we have the net amount of interest on capital, which is 16,000 rupees. Remember. Now the next comes as, and Tina, for Tina it is given that who does not have capital, no issues in the firm, is entitled to a salary of 25,000 per annum. For the salary, we'll record the transaction as to partner's salary, and we'll write name as Tina, for example, and we'll just one partner is there now, so we'll add the amount in the outer column, which is 25,000 rupees. And the next we have in that, so we have given salary to Tina. Tina is also entitled to a commission of 5% on the net on the profits. So whatever the condition given, we'll look at it later on. But right now, just give a heading that to partners commission. Partners commission. In that we have Tina. Now the condition for the profit calculation is given as that the profit she will get the 5% profit for commission on profit for sure, but the profit should be after charging interest, salary, and the commission itself. What will be that profit is, we can see that profit is 1,04,000 rupees, and from that we'll subtract the net amount of interest on capital, which is 16,000 rupees. Okay, and next we'll again subtract the 25,000 rupees, which is of the salary amount. Now after subtracting that amount, whatever the amount will come, we'll just multiply with the amount, or you can say the result, 5 divided by 105. Let me check what was the uh, 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 commission percentage. It is 5%. Okay, fine, so we are correct. Simply just tell me the amount of commission that Tina will get. You can see the calculation on the screen. So first of all, subtract 16,000 and 25,000 from 1,04,000 and do a multiplication. Multiply the particular equation of arithmetic into 5 by 105. So someone has posted that the answer will be 3,000. All of you post. Do it fast. All of you post the answer. Someone has posted 3,000. All of you post the answer. Do it fast. Use your calculator and do it fast. Do it fast. All of you do the calculation. I'm still waiting. Do the calculation. Durga, Dalia, Jasprit, Piyush, Tanisha, Gaurav, Ankit, Sushmita. Oh, Gaurav has posted his answer. Vineet, Sagnik, Rajat. Just do it fast. Post the answer. What will be the answer? Jasprit Badwal says 3,500. How come the difference has come between two answers? Let me use the calculator. This is 1,04,000 I have. 1,04,000 minus 16,000 minus 25,000. So the amount I have got, which is 63,000 rupees. Okay. After subtracting the interest on capital and the salary from the profit balance, and then we'll multiply 5 divided by 105. So amount I'm getting 3,000. Just speak, you are wrong. This will be 3,000 only. Okay. So we have got the commission amount as well. Now further given that it is further agreed that the balance profit should be appropriated as to 20% for the charity fund. No issues, we'll just provide charity fund as well. So the balance amount they have been asked now. So what amount we have got? That was the amount from 1,04,000 for charity fund. Remember over here. So for charity fund to charity fund, treat this as the fund, for example, or can say the accumulated profit, just treat this fund as. Now we'll have to categorize 20% of the charity fund. Now the profit amount was 1,04,000. That 16,000 rupees will subtract. Then we'll get the balance amount, and then we'll subtract 25,000 of the salary, and now we'll subtract the commission as well of 3,000 rupees. Now whatever the amount now we will receive, of that amount 20% will go to charity fund, remember. So now we know that till 25,000 subtraction we have the amount of 60,000 rupees. We subtract 3,000 more. Now the amount that we will get, amount will be 6,000 only. 20% 6,000 will be 12,000 only. So we'll take the commission as minus take charity fund as 12,000. 20% of 60,000, remember. Okay, just wait. So this amount I have got. Just wait. Okay, fine. So we have got the charity fund amount as well. Now we'll see that what adjustment or what items are there further. So we have done that. Fine. Now the balance to be shared by the partners and no ratio is given. We'll assume the equal share for all the partners. Now simple. We have come to the closing. This will the amount. The last entry will be partners capital account, and we have three partners: Meena, Sheena, and Tina, for example. So now the simple ledger balancing we will do. So if I see that on the credit side only one amount is there, so there is no need to add the credit side. We'll get the sum as 1,04,000 only. And now you say you people will just use a calculator and tell me what will be the sum of 16,000, 25,000, 3,000 and 12,000. Post the sum in chat option. Do post the sum of debit side. Do it fast. This is 56,000 rupees. So now what we'll do, we'll simply subtract the 56,000 rupees from the 1,04,000, and we will get the difference amount, and which will be on the debit side. Why? Because debit side is short compared to the credit side. So from the this in this case scenario, the divisible profit will come. So now post the divisible profit. So 1,04,000 minus the sum of debit side. Tell me what amount you are getting as the divisible profit. Post the amount of a divisible profit, 48,000 rupees. Okay, and since in the entire question no profit sharing ratio is given, so we'll assume it is equal. If I divide 43,000 rupees, 48,000 rupees equal to all the partners, three partners are there, I will get individually how much? 16,000 rupees for Meena, 16,000 for Tina as well, and Sheena, for example. For all the partners I'm getting 16,000, remember, individually. So I'll just close this peer appropriation account as 1,04,000 rupees. And remember that we, while closing the account with the net amount, we give two-liner of two-line dot in this way. For example, let me make you understand. So how I won't be able to give in all the question. So just for this question only, I'm showing you people. Okay, we give this kind of double line over here. This represents my accounting closing year. Okay, so I won't be able to give in every question. So just assume that in the end we'll just close the account by giving this kind of two lines. Okay. So now moving on to further, those who want they can take the screenshot of this question. This was simple one. Now we'll move on to the next questions. So let me check the answers as well from the book. This question was of 31 number. Huh? Question was of 31 number. So 31 number. Fine. We have got 16,000 only from for all the parts. Now what next we have the question number. Okay, 32. So we'll solve this question as well. The Ajay, Bijay. So that Ajay, Bijay and Chandan are partners in a firm with capitals of rupees 1,02,000 rupees, 20,000, 1,20,000 and 90,000 respectively. The partnership it provides as follows, for example. Now what we have in that, the interest on capital be allowed at 10% per annum. So all the partner will get interest on capital interest on drawings will be charged 10% per annum. So don't forget the average period concept over here. Bijay and Chandan each are to be paid salary 1500 per month. So we'll calculate the annual salary first. Ajay is to be paid a commission of 5% on net profit. So whatever net profit will be given the problem, we'll take the 5% of the particular profit and we'll just transfer to the PL appropriation account as the partner's commission to Ajay. Divisible profit, remaining profits to be distributed as follows. Whatever the profit leaves in the end will simply transfer to the 40% to Ajay, 30% to Vijay, 20% Chandan, and 10% carried to general reserve, whatever left in the end. So net profit given in the quotient 31st March 2020 was 1,02,000 rupees. Ajay withdrew 3,000 per month in the beginning of each month. Vijay withdrew 3,000 per month in the middle of each month, and Chandan withdrew 3,000 per month at the end of each month. Now we have been asked to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account for the year in 31st March 2020. There is no issue. We can simply pass. Simply, I have drawn the format already over here. So we'll solve in that format only. So we have in the books of firm. So again, I'm saying if in the problem firm's name is given, do put firm's name in after in the books of dash, the name right there only, and profit and loss appropriation account, and as on the date, on which date you are preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. In the question, we'll go from the approach and all. So we'll just solve from the top to bottom question. So we have three partners A, B, C. I'll use the short form of the capitals 1,00,000, 1,20,000, and 90,000. And number one given that interest on capital to be given 10% per annum. So I'm going to my format, and first of all I'm taking to interest on capital. Remember, we have ABC. I'm using short form, but in solution, wherever you solve in the examination, do use all the full forms. Okay. So we have A's capital was 1,03,000 rupees. So A will get this interest on capital as 10,000. And since B's capital was 1,20,000, 10% 1,20,000, B will get the interest on capital 12,000 only. In case of C, C will get 9,000. So if I say the combined amount of interest on capital, that becomes 15,000 plus 12,000, 27,000. 27,000 plus 9,000, it becomes 36,000 net amount of interest on capital. Okay. The next we have question. Next we have the adjustment for the interest on drawings to be charged 10% per annum. And we know that all the partners have withdrawn the same amount, 3,000 per month. And Ajay, in case Ajay have withdrawn the beginning of each month, and Vijay in the middle, and Chandan withdrew at the end of each month. So we'll simply do the calculation for interest on just data. We'll simply do the calculation workings, for example, workings for the interest on capital. So let me just put one working note format. Just wait. Over here we have to write or to calculate the interest on drawings first. So interest on drawings. Okay. Now in that we have, in case of A, we'll take A's IOD. We can write short form over here. In the working we can write short form. A's IOD. So in case of Ajay, what is the total amount of drawings we have? 3,000 per month now. Yearly becomes 36,000 rupees, and the interest percentage we have 10% per annum. Now we have to make sure that we do remember the average period concept. In the beginning of the month, the average period will be 6.5 divided by 12. So now from all of you, just post the A's interest on drawings using this using this equation. Do use a calculator and tell me what will be the A's interest on drawing. That will be 1950. You all solve this questions for individual to all of you. Okay. So you all have to use the calculator, and you all have to find the amount. So though I've written on the screen, but do the calculation yourself, and I want the reply from all of you. Durga, Dalia, Jasprit, Piyush, Tanisha, Ankit, Sushmita, Vineet, Sagnik, Rajat. I want reply from all of you. Use your calculator, see the equation on the screen, and post your answer in the chat box. Now in case of B, the same will be the total drawings, because B is also drawing 3,000 per month. So total rents will be 36,000 rupees and the interest percentage will 10%. And since he has drawn in the middle of each month, we'll take 6 by 12 only. Now tell me the answer that will come in case of the B interest drawings. Do post your answer. In case of C, the drawings amount will be same. The annual drawing 36,000 rupees into 10% into 5.5 because he is drawing in the end of each month. Okay. Now post the answer. Do it fast. Post the answer. So in case of C, it comes as 1650. 1650. So we have the interest amount for all the partners, 1950 for A in this way. We'll simply go on the credit side. We'll just leave one space from the top and we'll write by interest on drawings over here. I'll give A as B and C. So in case of A, I have 1950. In case of B, for example, I have 1800. And in case of C, I have which is 1650. So we'll just add these three amount and we will write on the outer column. Just tell me what is the amount that we will get in case of the net amount of interest on drawings. I guess it will be 5400. Fine. So now we have done second adjustment as well in the question. Now we will move to the next one. Vijay and Chandan each are to be paid salary at 1500 per month. So we'll consider the annual salary first. So in case of annual salary, we'll multiply the monthly salary with 12. We'll write the heading in the PL appropriation account on the debit side as two partners salary. Okay, two partners salary. Now who are getting the salaries? B and let me check. Vijay and Chandan, B and C are getting salaries. Since the amount of salary is same for both the partner, we'll get 18,000 and we'll get 18,000 in case of C as well. And in the outer column, I'll just add this two and I'll write the net amount of salary, which is 36,000 rupees. Let me check again. Okay, so both the partner getting this salary each per month. So we have done this adjustment as well. So Ajay is to be paid a commission of 5% net profit. So we have to find the net profit amount to give the commission to Ajay. So profit is given 1,50,000. So we'll transfer first this profit since we have got the amount by profit and loss account. So now we'll transfer this amount there 1,50,000 and on debit side we'll give this amount of 5% this amount to Ajay as well, to partners commission. I'll just now write the name Ajay over here and 5% of 1,50,000 becomes 7,500. I'll write there only. So we have done the commission adjustment as well. Now we'll move to on next. So they have been asked to transfer 10% to general reserve, remember, okay, and 4,3. So whatever the amount that will come in the end, so we'll do in this scenario. So all the adjustments have been done. We have taken the profit as well from the last paragraph and the drawings amount as well. Nothing is left in the question, so we'll just close this question, okay. So how do we close? Simply first we will add the credit side. So it will be easy to guess. It will be 1,55,400. Now tell me the sum of debit side. Anyone from you post the sum of debit side? Anyone from you post the sum of debit side? Do it fast because over here 36 36 it becomes 72 72 plus 7,500 79,500 this sum, okay, and now subtract this sum 79,500 from the 1,55,400 and then tell me the amount of divisible profit or the profit remains after appropriation item. Tell me the amount. So from 1,55,400 subtract 79,500 and post the amount. What would be the difference amount? 75,900. 75,900. From this amount we have been asked to transfer. I repeat, from this amount we have been asked to transfer 10% general reserve. First we will write over here to general reserve, remember, and 10% this amount will be 7,590 rupees. Okay, and for partners, whatever the amount in the end remains for the partners, that will be the difference of 75,900 minus 7,590. So tell me now, what will the amount? Subtract 7,590, I'm stick 7,590 from 7,590 and tell me the difference amount. Or you can do also one thing, that you can find 90% of 75,900. Both amount will be same. So post the amount, what will be the amount that will be given to partner? 68,310. 68,310. Now this amount will be transferred to the partners. Okay. Now just wait. Let me write to partners capital account, and in case of A, in case of B, in case of C. Now, if you do this thing, na 68310, you will get confused. So what the question is given that 30%. Let me see. Amount was okay. So 40% to Ajay. So now we'll do the 40% of 75900, and 30% of 75900. We'll do 20% of 7590. In the end, the amount will come same as. So now you guys do the same thing. Find out the 40% of 75900, 30% of 75900, and post the amount as the share profit to all the three partners. First tell me, in case of A, what will be the amount? Do make sure you guys find out the 40% of 75,900. Post the amount. Post the amount. In chat, post the amount. 40% of 75,900. This will be 30,360. Okay, in case of A. Now in case of B, find out the 30% of 75,900. Post in case of B as well. Post in case of B. 22,000 rupees. 22,000 rupees. What was the? Let me check. 22,000 rupees. 770. 770. Now post in case of C as well. Now post in case of C as well. 20% of 75,900. This will be near about 16,000. 15,180. Okay. 15,180 rupees. Now if you add all these three figures, you will get the same figure as 68,310. This is our divisible profit. Net divisible profit is 68,310, and the individual share of profit is 30,360 in case of A, 22,770 in case of B, 15,180 in case of C. So our profit and loss appropriation account for this question is closed. Okay. Now what we have the next question. So we have solved this page, all the both the question. Now we'll move on to the next question, 34 number. See what will happen, that this question is very simple. So we'll just do solve this question verbally now. So I'll just tell you the adjustments and all verbally. So Simran and Puneet are partners, share profits equally. So in the end, whatever divisible profit will come, will simply give the divisible profit equal to all the partners. That means Simran and Puneet. The capitals, opening capital, remember given that 5 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees, and we know that if interest on capital is given, so we do calculate the interest on capital on the opening balance only. Okay. Now what next we have, the partners are allowed interest on capital at 9% per annum. No issues. So we can calculate the 9% of 5 lakh and 4 lakh rupees. Drawings of Simran Puneet were 1 lakh rupees and 80,000 rupees respectively, and interest on drawings being 5,000 and 4,000. In the question, no interest on drawings person is given, but the amount is given. We won't have to calculate the interest on drawings, though instead we can simply take the amount 5,000, 4,000, which is given as the interest on drawings, okay, in the PL appropriation account. Now net profit is given that 2,50,000 rupees. So in the profit and loss appropriation account, on the credit side, we can transfer this amount of profit as by profit and loss account. How much amount will be transferred to workmen compensation reserve? Now we have been asked this amount when 10% of the net profit is to be transferred. In case 1, 10%, if we find out the workmen compensation reserve, in case of A, we'll take 25,000 rupees because that is the 10% of net profit given. So in case of A, workmen compensation will 25,000, 10% of 2,50,000. Now in case of B, 10% of distributable profit. Now what you have to do, you have to close the PL appropriation account first and you have to find the divisible profit in the normal case scenario. Now of that divisible profit, we will take 10% for the workmen compensation fund. That means what? That from the 2,50,000 rupees, you will add 5,000, 4,000 as the interest on the drawings. So my amount will be 2,59,000. Let me do this calculation on the screen as well. Okay, so if I see the net amount of credit side will be 2,59,000 because I have added the profit and interest on drawings, both the amount that comes on the credit side of PL appropriation account. So some will have 2,59,000 rupees. Now in that we'll subtract the interest on capital. So in case of interest on capital, so we'll get two amount. In the two amounts, we'll get 9% of 5 lakh. This will be 45,000 rupees. And uh, for Puneet, this will be 36,000 rupees, 9% of 4 lakh rupees. Okay. And the rest, we don't have any more appropriation on the debit side. This two amount will be subtracted only. Now we have to find out the difference amount. So do post what will be my difference amount in this case scenario. Do post. This will be 2,09,000 minus 70, 81,000 rupees. 81,000 rupees. Do post the amount. What will be the difference amount? Do post the difference amount. Do post the difference amount. One lakh 78,000. Okay. So in the case B, the workman compensation fund will be 10% of this 1,78,000. 10%. So for sure we'll get the 17,800 as my workman compensation fund for the question number 34. Let me check the answer as well. Okay, we have got the correct answer. Fine. So in this way we have solved 34 number as well. In case 37 number, so this question seems very simple, that interest on capital is given there, 4 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, on which we will, on this amount we will calculate the interest on capital if given. Drawing during the year 50,000, 30,000. Remember that in case of drawings during the year, the average period becomes 6 only. Okay. So capital given, interest on capital 5%, 5%. So we'll count the 5% of 4 lakh rupees, 5% of 3 lakh rupees in case of Sohan and Mohan respectively. Interest on drawings amount is given, so we won't calculate the interest on drawings. Share of profit for the year in 31st March 2021. We can simply give this amount as well as divisible profit in the partner salary 36 to Sohan only, and commission 5,000 and 3,000. So what we have to do, we have to simply prepare a PL appropriation account in the case, and since it is given that show these items in the capital accounts only. Do not prepare in that PL appropriation account, and do show all this amount in partner's capital account. Since this question is new, let me solve this question for you people in the partner's capital account. Just give me one moment. Let me just draw the format of partner's capital account on the screen. Okay, so you guys can see the partner's capital account drawn over here. So this partner's capital account has four columns as the partner's amount. Don't be confused about with that, because this is a common format I have drawn earlier with the maximum four partners maximum. So don't get confused with that only. Okay, we just need two columns in that. So we'll just give heading partners capital account over here. So partner is Sohan and Mohan. We just need two columns only. Though it is given four columns, we just need two columns only. Sohan and Mohan, for example. Now we have been asked that how those items will appear in the partner's capital account. So we'll show simply that we just transfer the amount to opening capital 4 lakh and 3 lakh rupees partner's capital account. Go there, write by balance BD, remember. Okay. So will be 4 lakh rupees on the credit side, and this will be 3 lakh rupees on the credit side of Mohan. How much amount? 3 lakh. Fine. Next item is given that drawings were rupees 50,000 and 30,000. Drawings amount goes on the debit side because we have taken from the partners as to drawings. How much amount? That was 40,000, no, 50,000 and 30,000. 50,000 and this will be 30,000. In this way, it will show on the debit side of partners capital account. Now what we have next, that interest on capital will be 5% per annum to partners. So we give on the credit side of partners capital account, writing as by partners by interest on capital account. Okay, so amount will be 5% of 4 lakh, that will be 20,000 rupees, and for Mohan it will be 15,000 rupees. Okay, now what next we have, interest on drawings. So 1250 and 750. They will write to on debit side interest on drawings. In case of one it will be 1250, and in case of Mohan it will be 750. The amount given, I'm just putting the amount in the format only. Now given that the share of profit on 31st March 2021 60,000 and 50,000. So what we will do, we will simply transfer that by profit and loss appropriation account, remember. Okay, on credit side the amount is will be how much? 60 and 50,000. 60,000 and 50,000. Next we have the commission, for example partners salary to Sohan only, so we'll write on the credit side as well partners by partners salary in the column of Sohan only, not in the column of Mohan, because Sohan is only getting the salary. So what next we have over here, the commission. Both the partners are getting commission 5,000, 3,000. We'll simply write by partners commission as 5,000, and I guess that amount was 3,000 rupees. So now we have shown the entire adjustment given in the partners capital account. Okay, so hope you guys understood, and I hope you guys know how to close the partners capital account. It's just the ledger balancing. Add all the credit amount for individual partner and subtract the debit of the same individual partner. So you'll get the balancing amount, and that balancing amount you will write as to balance CD. Okay, so you'll write over here, you will write over here in the column of Sohan and Mohan. So add for Sohan debits credit side and subtract Sohan debit amounts. You will get the debit of Sohan, the balance CD, and again in case of Mohan, add all the credit items of Mohan, find the sum, subtract the debit side amount, the two amounts, you will get the closing balance of Mohan as well. Okay, so hope you guys understood this question as well. Now next question what we have, Anil and Bindu are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:1 on 1st April 2020. The capitals were 1,50,000 and Bindu 90,000. This is my opening capital given. During the 31st March 2021, the firm earned a net profit of 1,00,000 rupees. So no issues, we know how to do that calculation. Now over here the items we have the interest on capital to be allowed at 6% per annum. Anil will get a commission per percent on turnover. Turnover will be given in the quotient, so we'll find the commission on turnover only. Bindu would get a salary of 18 per annum, so this annual salary given. Take the entire amount of 18,000 in the PL appropriation account. Bindu will get commission of 5% on profit after deduction of all the expenses, including her own commission. So while funding the commission of Bindu, what you will do, you will subtract the interest on capital, commission given to Anil, salary given to Bindu from the 1,50,000. Whatever amount will come now, you will multiply the amount with the 5 divided by 105. You will get the commission from Bindu as well. Now we have partners drawing for the year 24,000 and 18,000. Turnover given 9 lakh rupees, so we'll give the commission to Anil 2% of 9,000 or 9 lakh rupees only will give. So in that, since the interest, drawings amount is given, interest drawings is not given anywhere. Don't be bothered about the interest on drawings. It will not be calculated for the particular portion, and we can simply close the partner's profit and loss appropriation account with this information, and we can simply get the divisible profit in the end. And after that, you'll have to prepare the partners capital accounts with the opening balance of the partners and the appropriation items, just like we did in the previous question. And in the end, you'll have to find out the closing balance of partners capital account as well. So in this case, we'll simply close the question number 39 number by preparing the PL appropriation account and partners capital account. So I guess we have these questions only discussed today. Do solve this question, and if you have any doubt, do write on WhatsApp. We'll discuss later on. So those who have joined the classes, just wait. Don't leave the meeting. Post your just wait. Just post your roll number in the chat option, so I can just record your attendance for the day. Okay. So do post your roll number. Just 17 number. Just 17 roll number. Durga 14. Dalia 13. Sagnik Mahata 28. Ankit Soren 7. Piyush Agarwal 23 number. Roll number. Rajat Mandal 46. Okay. So I guess we have all these only. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next class only. I guess it is tomorrow. If we have the tomorrow accountancy,